criticize his relationship with the Nigerian music star.
Okay, that's direct. Fact is, I did not read my lips. I did not. I know I made suggestions, as a wife, there was never at any point I said, no, don't do this. Why are you doing this? Don't do that. Why should you? In fact, I did it behind the scenes most of the times. I take pictures. I make videos. I'm like, okay, I saw you doing this, and it's fine. I just had, other personal stuffs between us that I raised with him, but I never at any point said, stop working for him. Why are you working for him? I never did that.
Just lies fabricated against me, and I feel very bad. It has affected my mental health. Honestly, I wouldn't lie about that. And also, my family, my mom, my sisters, my family in general, nobody wants their daughter out there. With this kind of news.
So guys, this was the whole situation. So Ginika went and wrote to all those who misunderstood me, this is for you. I admit I was wrong housing a married woman instead of sending her back to her parents. I was only helping out and I had nothing in mind. I never asked her to come. That was never the plan. I always asked that she goes back so things can be settled. I would never want to put myself in the forefront. So she also said, I repeat to say I had no hand in the separation between them. All of that. You can go through my screen and see what you can pause and then read what she continued to say about the situation of her friend and Isreal. And if you guys don't know who Isreal is one of the logistic aid of Davido. Do you understand? So you could remember before then when he was just dragging the girl back, forth, left, right, and center after their marriage ended. So this person said, when a woman regrets her poor choices, she comes back on with cap. And to those men that made you break your commitment to God, you claim to worship, and to your man now, she has found out they all wanted sex, blah blah blah. Then somebody replied, the person, let's assume your sister found herself in a messy situation and suffering in her marriage. Should she remain there because the street is cold? The other person said, the men should learn to marry their class and stop getting married to ungrateful broke girls. Somebody responded, God bless you, Then this person said, as long as she's happy, that's all that matters. Yes, I'm a man and I refuse to be biased. How these fine girls marry Juju, educated and clean? Like, no insults on Juju, but they are not on his level. See how they speak so fluently. If no be long throats, how will she settle for Juju? Now, wow. So the next person said, very matured to me podcast, no dragging, just clearing the air. Sheila, so long as you're happy, I'm happy for you too. As for Ginika, we understand. So this person says, she speaks so well. How did you even marry Isreal in the first place? He can't even construct good English. The other person responded, is Isreal not human? As in, so guys, I feel like Isreal and his ex-wife Sheila, they are adults and they have decisions on their own. Like, they too know what they faced in that marriage and they too decided to separate. Like, guys, to think that this babe looks so much like Chioma is so interesting. And I don't know why people are blaming her, because I feel like she's the one wearing the shoe and she knows where it's paining her. Likewise, the ex-husband. So they decided to go their pathways. When I even noticed what was going on is when Isreal began to drag the girl left, right, and center, and also dragged her friend Join. I think he also even dragged the Sheila's parents Join. So at some point, I feel like maybe Davido should have called this guy to order, because he's now taking it too far. Somebody said she doesn't want anymore. You just take it the way you see it. Life goes on. Do you understand? So that's my take on this. But guys, what do you even think about this situation? This girl now had to now do this podcast to come out and clear the air so that people would stop dragging her. Do you understand? Probably whatever she does now will be tagged Olosho. That's why she decided to do these things. So what do you think, guys? And if you watched to this point, thank you guys so much. If you're new here, kindly click the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye.